Today we will discuss how to create a responsibility, custom responsibility. Yeah, here. When you log into Oracle applications, you will see the list of responsibility that user can access. See here, when I logged into Oracle applications, Oracle applications, my username is NRIT online, and I have two responsibilities are assigned to my user. See, under responsibilities, you can see there are many functions are attached. Okay, now we will go and create a one custom responsibility, new responsibility. For that, navigate to system administrator responsibility and then click on security and then click on responsibility, then click on define. Click on define, then it will open one form. Here you can see the responsibility name field. In this field you need to pass meaningful name and the application in which application you want to register this responsibility. You can choose either a custom applications. Now we haven't created any custom applications. I will select a standard applications. Okay, responsibility key, it is a short name of the responsibility name. Next column is the description. In description field we need to enter the meaningful description of the responsibility. See here I am entering T, application name, and responsibility key, it is the short name of the responsibility. Description is the meaningful description of a responsibility name. You can use same also. T. Next, here if you go to right side, effective dates, the date range during the user can access from this responsibility. Uh, Based on from means from 26 May 2020 he can able to access this responsibility. And here in left hand side you can see available from, in which you have to see this responsibility can access. Here I am selecting or choosing Oracle applications. This is the next. Right hand side you can see the data group. The data group defined as a pair of applications and Oracle usernames. And next, left hand side you can see the menu. This is the main important field which you need to pass. Means for each responsibility can have menu assigned to it. For each menu you will have number of functions are attached to it. Functions is nothing but a forms. Many forms are attached to this menu. Okay. The next one is the request group. This will give you what reports or concurrent requests the user can run from this responsibility. Yeah. Now I am passing default system administrator responsibility, default data group. Default data group. This is the standard default data group I have. System administration. Next, menu. The request group. Yes. Now save the work. See, now we have completed this. Now again I am logging to my user. Logout. See, I am logging to my user NRIT online. How many responsibilities are assigned to my user NRIT online? There are 2 responsibilities I can see are attached to my user. Here also you can see the list of responsibilities which are assigned to the user. Now what I will do, whatever the custom responsibility we have created, that I will assign that responsibility to my user. NRIT online. Now here I am assigning this is the custom responsibility which we have created. Just save the work. Now see here, I can able to see my custom responsibility. If you click on this responsibility, means if you select this responsibility, you can see there are menus. Under these menus you can see the functions. When you click on these functions, then it will open a forms. Thank you. I think you understand how to create responsibility